Hey everybody, it's Nikki. Tired, long day at work. Um, but yeah, so we had a good weekend. Ryan and I we went to Texas de Brazil, had some steak. Yeah, all I see is like flying hairs over on this side. Shout out Brett. Um, so hair in my mouth. Ugh. Um, Anyway, we went to Texas de Brazil. We got massages. We took my daughter to the reptile show yesterday. So Ryan's aunt and uncle basically have their own little pet breeding business, and they build like specialized tanks and stuff like that. So that was really cool. Took my daughter. She had a blast. I don't have a lot of time to talk because I've got dinner on the stove and I don't want it to burn. And my timer's gonna beep any minute now, but basically, this is the kind of fun we had at the reptile show. That's my daughter, and there she is with a snake on her head. So she got to play with lots of different animals. She played with snakes. She got to pick up some turtles. She also glare in here. There you go. Um, she got to pick up turtles. She learned the difference between male and female tortoises, which is kind of an interesting fact. Um, where the male's shell curves and the female shell is flat. That's how you can tell the difference, which I just thought was kind of cool. We saw what looked like roadkill frogs. Um, we called them roadkill frogs simply because they're flat, like completely flat, and they barely move, but they're frogs. It was, yeah, really, really weird. The other thing she had to do, which I need to get the video from Ryan and actually upload it here, is we got to play with sugar gliders, which the guy dressed as one sugar glider in this little cowboy hat and had him on a leash and was just like flipping him over and letting him run around and just showing how you can spin him, and the little guy's like climbing up the rope. Cutest thing ever. Really cutest thing ever. Anyway, so needless to say, we walked away, which my dad is so mad. Oh, he's so mad. I know it. Um, but we walked away with a snake. He is a Powerball ball python, little tiny little guy, like fits in the palm of one hand. Cutest thing ever. Ryan and I got to feed him, so I can't actually pick him up right now. Cause trust me, I'd like to stand in a video and be like, "Look at my snake." Yeah, reptiles don't bother me. I am not a fan whatsoever of. There we go. I'm not a fan whatsoever of bugs in any way, shape, or form, but I like reptiles. So, oh, he's hiding. Alright, we're gonna lift his little log out. See him? Can you see that little guy? So that's Blizzard. That's my daughter's new pet. I'll just tuck him back in. So, don't so mad at me right now. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a better view of them. So, that's Blizzard. Like I said, if I could pick him up, I would, but I can't. You just ate, huh? You're a happy boy. You're a happy little boy. So, um, one of the interesting things we noticed, which he's not doing right now, he actually tends to flip on his back and like upside down and do all these weird neck motions. And we thought that was kind of cool. And then we discovered that it's part of their breeding process, is like when they breed them to make these, they have balance issues. So like he keeps rolling on his head and on his back and just all over the place. And it turns out it's just a part of their genetics. So I think you're an interesting and cool little guy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So, angle this right. Hi, baby. Hi. Aw, mommy scared you. I'm sorry. I know you're digesting. So anyway, that's Blizzard. He's a very awesome little guy. I've been absolutely in love with him. Excited. Oh, there's my food. So I need to finish up dinner. Need to go get dinner out of the oven. But yeah, so things have been good here. Been busy. Ryan's working right now, doing all of his extra stuff. So life's awesome. I think I told you guys the other day I've started doing size and hip hop abs. I don't know if it's between that or the massages. I can feel it like right here in my right shoulder. Like I woke up in the middle of the night in a lot of pain just because I don't know, like excruciating pain. So I don't know if it's just the, hip hop moves or what it was, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling healthy, and yeah. So it's pretty much what's going on in my household. Anyway, I just want to say hi, check in real quick. Ryan thinks I need to start posting these videos on Facebook, and I don't know how I feel about that. So somebody could comment down below. Facebook fame, good for YouTube or not good for YouTube? Because I'm kind of torn both ways. Part of me wants to post it on Facebook, but at the same time, this is kind of like a me vlog. If people subscribe, like this, comment, I appreciate it, but it's not necessary. So putting it on Facebook suddenly emphasizes, what I'm saying and doing. And I mean, could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I don't know. Won't know until I try, right? Anyway, if you've got any thoughts, feelings, please comment down below, because I would like to know how you feel about it, especially those other vloggers that like my stuff and watch my videos. I appreciate it, and I'm just curious, like, post it on Facebook, not post it on Facebook. Any comments are greatly appreciated. Anyway, I gotta go get food off my stove before it burns, and yeah, I'll be posting again soon. Thank you guys for listening. Bye.